Good afternoon, everyone. Going to be taking the cultivator off and taking the 800 up by the baler and maybe even getting it hitched now, but later in the evening I'm going to be working on the baler, getting it ready since the hay field's already starting to have the grass head out and try and put seed out, so I'm going to have to cut it. Not going to cut over here since it's not heading out yet, that it gives as much volume as we can. Hopefully we'll be able to get a fair amount with the drought that's been going on. So I'm going to get this unhitched and we'll be back. There we go, I got it off. And I got the fuel valve already open, so it should start. And I don't have too much fuel. I guess I forgot it open. It should be enough to get up there though. Yeah. Hasn't started for a while, so you gotta run it a little higher on the throttle. Well, the alkali got white color in the horizon. I'll go ahead and get the fence down, we'll be back. There we go, we're in gear. Gotta get to a more level spot. Alright, make sure you're in neutral. Brake on. Yeah, I checked over there, but I'm not sure how well it's in there, let's just say. Sometimes it's hard to get that unhooked to a point where it's easier to just pull the fence post down and put it back in. Gotta go fast here just for a little fun. There's the baler over there. Review the alkali. I'll do that part off camera. So that's going to take a little bit of work. So we'll be back then. Okay, we're back. A few days later I got tarped and hitched. And I do have it sharpened up in there. I ended up taking a piece for a air grinder little impact thing and using that on a drill to sharpen it. Because we didn't have the right connections for the particular air we had. Yeah, this is a little bit low on fuel, so I'm going to top it off, and then we'll be back. There we go. And this is a little bit too aggressive of an angle. If I come around here, you see it's almost digging into the ground. We were experimenting a bit with this to see what would be the right angle, and now we found what's too much. So, gotta experiment with that, get it right. Somehow I got the hydraulics in without a fight, which is a miracle. PTO's on everything. we're ready to go Monday. Should be a haying video shortly. Thanks for watching.